Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. Today I got a great video for you guys. It's a quick one. This is chicken tortellini soup. And let me tell you what ingredients I have. I have a roasted chicken from the store. That's a cheater that you guys can take advantage of, or you can bake or roast your own. I got a bag of frozen cheese tortellini. I've got baby carrots, some celery. I've got some chicken broth. Got some thyme leaves, a bay leaf. I got some chicken base, some adobo all-purpose seasoning, a lemon, an onion, and some fresh garlic. I want to let you guys know this video has a giveaway attached to it. It's a collaboration with the company that reached out to me, KnifeSaga. I'm so grateful. And they are giving away a gift. Now the trick is they're going to pick it based on your comment. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share my video. And then make sure you write one heck of a comment, because they're going to pick it within 7 days of this video airing. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up. I'm going to take the chicken breast meat off, because those of you that know me know I upload 1 video a week and 2 videos a week, and always include inspirational quote and add a controversial joke. And I try and make my cooking recipes as easy as possible. So I'm going to debone the chicken. I'm only using the breast and the wings because my husband and I don't eat any dark meat. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I chop up the vegetables using the fabulous gift that KnifeSaga got me. It's a knife set, and you guys will get a special gift too, like I said, if they pick you as the winner. So let me put you guys on pause, get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, here's the fabulous knife set that KnifeSaga reached out to me and offered me a collaboration and gave me this as a gift. You guys are gonna love this. It's beautiful. It comes in all different colors, and it has every size knife that you could possibly wish for, and it's ergonomically perfect for someone with small hands like myself or my husband with very large hands. It's very easy to handle. But the best part of it all, it comes with its own sharpener. So if you purchase this, you will never, probably ever, have to buy another knife set, because if your blades get dull, which I doubt, because they're razor sharp, you can sharpen them yourself. And they're also giving a discount code. It'll be listed in the description box if you want to purchase this. So I am going to go ahead and put you guys on pause and show you how well these knives work. And thank you so much. The giveaway will be, they will present the winner 7 days after uploading this video. KnifeSaga will pick the winner, and it's based on your comment. So please like, subscribe, and share this video and give a great comment. They're giving away a fabulous meat cleaver. It's huge, it's sharp, and for those of you that could use a cleaver, I would definitely give it a try. It's beautiful. So once again, let me put you on pause. Let's get cooked. Okay, first I'm going to cut some carrots. I chose baby carrots because I did not want to wash, scrub, and clean carrots. So that's why I chose those carrots, this type of carrot. And I picked this knife as small. My hands are very small. And as you see, it's razor sharp. It's cutting right through these carrots like butter. So you can use, for my chicken tortellini soup, you can use as many or as few carrots or vegetables as you like. I'm only using celery and carrots because I know my husband will eat those 2 vegetables. And those of you who follow me on my channel know that my husband is very picky. He doesn't like anything green outside of celery. So I'm cutting these up for you to show you how sharp they are. And another trick, I have a wet cloth under my cutting board that will keep it from slipping on you. So here's the celery. See how it slices that with precision. I'm going to cut those 2 pieces off. And I'm just going to cut up some celery. I'm not really measuring this because, like I said, this is just for 2 people. If you're making this for a family, I would definitely double the amount of ingredients. I'm going to cook more carrots than that, but I just wanted to show you guys and to demonstrate the KnifeSaga knife set to you. Like I said, you'll probably never have to purchase another knife set if you buy this, because like I said, being able to sharpen your own blades, I don't see any point in ever needing another one because they'll never get dull. And you see how nice it cuts right through here. So I have my garlic already peeled. I use my garlic slicer for that, so I won't be chopping with that. And this only takes about 30-45 minutes. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to saute my vegetables. I like all my vegetables very soft. If you don't, I'll show you a trick to that, how to get around this. Some people don't like mushy carrots. I do. I don't want any bite to my vegetables whatsoever. So I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these vegetables cut up, put you guys on pause, turn the camera around and show you the next step. Oh, I forgot, I wanted to show you how it cuts up chicken too. Look at that, like butter. Now you can shred your chicken with 2 forks, but I kind of prefer it chunked. So that's why I'm showing you that I'm chopping my chicken. This is a rotisserie chicken that I purchased from, my mom got it for me. I don't know if it was from Sam's or Costco, but if you prefer your chicken shredded for your soup, by all means take 2 forks and pull it and shred it. I like it cut just like this in nice little chunks like chicken noodle soup. So see how easy this is to cut. And I'm only using the white meat, just the breast. I cut the wings off. So now I'm going to turn around and saute the vegetables and we'll move on to the next step. Okay everyone, I've got a little bit of butter in the skillet, and I have my onions, my celery, yikes, and my carrots all cut up. I'm going to saute them just for a few minutes just to give them some extra flavor. And then I'm going to have my stock over here heating up. So I'm going to add this to the stock once I get these nice and halfway soft. Now what I do, I like my vegetables, like I said, cooked well done. So if you don't, add this at the last minute with the chicken. But I like mine very soft. So as soon as that stock comes to boil and these are cooked enough, I'm going to add this immediately into the stock so they can cook a lot longer. And if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You know, I upload 2 videos a week. I always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke at the end. Got a cute one for you guys tonight. You see how I'm just sauteing this up. And you can add spinach, kale, broccoli, any vegetables you like. I'm just trying to make this neutral so that I won't have to eat the whole thing by myself. And you can freeze it and it will keep up to 2 months in the freezer. So I'm going to put you guys on pause and let these vegetables saute for a little bit and come back and move on to the next step. Okay, so these have been sauteing for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead now and add the garlic. You definitely don't want to add the garlic too soon, because if it turns brown, it will get bitter and you will have to start over. It will ruin your whole meal. You just basically want to cook it until it's fragrant, just enough to get the raw taste off of it. So that's why I cooked it for about 5 minutes before adding the garlic. And I didn't add any salt to this because I used 2 containers of broth. One was low sodium and the other one was not. So I'm going to check it and taste it. Plus I'm going to add some chicken base to it, which is known to be salty. So I can smell the garlic. So now I'm just going to cook this a couple more seconds. Make sure it's not raw. Switch eyes and pull this over here, my broth over here. And I'll come right back once this gets to a rapid boil. Okay, you can see this is really starting to get warm. It's starting to boil a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and add the vegetables. And I want my vegetables to cook for a good 5, maybe 10 minutes before I add my chicken and my tortellini. So I'm going to add the chicken last. Like I said, it's already cooked. So I'm just basically warming that through. But I do want my vegetables soft and mushy. Like I said, if you don't, add your carrots when you add your chicken, because a lot of people do not like mushy vegetables. I'm going to add 1 bay leaf. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chicken base to this, and that was 4 cloves of garlic. I don't know if I told you that. There's a little bit of adobo all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add some thyme. This is dried thyme, not fresh thyme. 3 or 4 shakes of that. I'm going to let this come to a full boil and then come back and then show you how I add the cheese tortellini. And that pretty much will bring it to a close, because like I said, the chicken is done. And I like my pasta, if you guys know me, you know I like it way past al dente. So the package says about 10 minutes. I'll probably go 15, so I'll be right back. Okay, you see it's really boiling away. So now I'm going to add the tortellini. This is cheese tortellini. And yeah, you can add mushrooms or any type of tortellini you like. I'm just kind of eyeballing this. I don't think I'm going to use the whole bag. I don't anticipate using the whole bag, but you never know. Just going to stir it and look and see how much pasta is in there. Yeah, I think it needs the whole bag. Too much won't hurt. I like pasta. And like I said, this will go in the freezer for a good couple months. And I'm gonna let this cook for a good 10 to 15 minutes before I add the chicken, because like I said, the chicken is done. And one thing you don't want to forget at the end, I'm going to squeeze some lemon on there because you need it for the acidity and the freshness. So I'm going to put you guys back on pause and let this tortellini cook, because that was frozen. Okay, it's been at a rapid boil for about 10 minutes. So now lastly, I'm going to add the chicken. And like I said, I use all white meat. If you like the dark, go right ahead. And if you like chicken noodle soup, this is a different twist, because as you bite into the tortellini, it is filled with cheese. And you can top this with Parmesan cheese or chives, anything you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the chicken warm through. And at this point, I'm gonna squeeze in the fresh lemon for the acidity, and it gives it a nice brightness. So I'm gonna let this cook for a few more minutes, turn the camera around, tell you guys my joke, and as usual, thanks for watching. And if you like it, like I said, please like, subscribe, and share, and stick around. I'm gonna show you at the end when I tell my joke. I'm gonna insert a picture of the cleaver that the company was so gracious enough to give to one of you who writes a great comment. They're gonna pick it, they're gonna gift it to you from me, and like I said, it's fabulous, especially if you like to cook. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, one last time, I just wanna thank KnifeSaga for this fabulous set. I've already replaced the knife that I used. And just a little trick, if you use sharp knives, especially expensive ones like these, you always want to immediately wash them, clean them, and put them back so no one gets cut by them. So let me tell you, turn around to the soup. Now most of the vegetables have sank to the bottom, so I'm going to stir it and show you. It is perfectly cooked. I've tasted it. It smells wonderful. So like I said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And here's my joke. Dave is finally engaged and excited to show his new bride to his mother. Ma, he said to his mother, I'm going to bring home 3 girls, and I want you to guess which one is my fiance. Sure enough, Dave walks through the door with 3 girls following behind him. It's that one, his mom said without blinking an eye. Holy cow, says Dave. How in the world did you know it was her? Mom said, took a deep sigh. I just don't like her. I thought it was kind of funny. I don't have any brothers, but I've heard, I don't want to offend anybody, that moms are real particular with their sons. So you want to give this recipe a try, and like I said, I'm going to freeze most of this in little individual freezer bags so I can have soup when I want. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good evening, and God bless. And don't forget to leave a comment if you want to get that meat cleaver. I'm going to show you a picture of it at the end of the video. Have a good evening.